Welcome dear students in pharmaceutics first practical session. Myself Darshana Sandeep Shinde. Today we see the experiment number 26. Title of our experiment is to prepare, evaluate and submit 10 gram of cold cream. Learning outcomes of our today's session. After watching this video, students should be able to develop intellectual skills such as to understand the role of different excipients and to develop the motor skills, that is skill for weighing, skill for mixing the liquids at the hot temperature, skill for homogeneous mixing. Then we see the new concepts of regarding this experiment, that is preposition 1, beeswax and borax system. The preparation containing the combination of beeswax and borax does not require any secondary emulsifier. Used for the both. It is used for the both O by W and W by O creams, that is oil in water types of creams and water in oil types of the cream. Then we move towards the theory regarding the creams. Now we see the theory regarding the creams. Creams are the homogeneous, semi-solid or viscous preparation intended for the external application to the skin or certain mucous membrane for protective, therapeutic or prophylactic purposes, especially where an occlusive effect is not necessary. All the skin care creams can be classified on the different bases. First of all, according to the function, that is example of its cleansing cream, foundation cream, massage cream. Then according to the characteristic properties, example of its cold cream, vanishing cream, etc. Then third, according to the nature or type of the emulsion. Then last, according to the therapeutic value, example of it insect repellent cream, topical protective, etc. These are the all type of the creams. Then we see the one by one. First of all, we see the cleansing cream. Cleansing cream is required for removal of the facial makeup, surface cream, oil and water. Oil soluble efficiently mainly from the face and the throat. This is specially made from the cleansing purpose. Then next one is cold cream. Cold cream is an emulsion which when applied on the skin, a cooling effect is produced due to the slow evaporation of water present in the emulsion. This is the O by W type, that is oil in water type of the emulsion cream. Then foundations or foundation cream. This provides a smooth emollient base or foundation before the application of the face powder and other makeup preparations. They help the powder to adhere to the skin due to the possession of a good holding property. That's why before the makeup, ladies especially use the foundation cream, or nowadays men also use. Then vanishing cream. Oil in water emulsion which when applied to the skin leaves an almost invisible layer on it. They provide the emollient action and a protective action against the environment by leaving a semi-occlusive residual film on the skin. This is its action or its effect is evaporate after its use. That's why it is called as the vanishing. The cream can be vanish or it leave only the film on the skin. The next one, how to storage these creams. Store temperature below the 25 degrees Celsius, otherwise as directed by the preparations manufacturer, and do not freeze the creams. Then labeling. The label states the cream is sterile while or where it is necessary, the name and the concentration of any added antimicrobial preservative, and the storage condition should be mentioned on the label. This is the label of a general type which mention the name, all the labeling conceptions, then ingredients, all that. This is all about the theory of the creams. Then we move towards the next segment of our experiment. Now the apparatus required for today's experiment: beaker, 2 beaker required, then measuring cylinder, spatula, pipette and water bath. Then we move towards the formulation table. Formulation table is the table in which the ingredients formula has been given. Here this is our formulation table. In this is the formula which is given for the 100 grams of the cream, which is prescribed in the Indian Pharmacopoeia. Beeswax 16 gram, liquid paraffin 50 gram, borax 8 gram, water 33 gram, methyl paraben 0.18 gram, propyl paraben 0.02 gram and perfume quantity sufficient. This is the formula given for 100 gram, but we have to prepare only the 10 grams of the cream. For that we prepared a factor. Factor can be calculated by quantity required upon quantity given. Here is the quantity required is 10 gram and quantity given is 100 gram. So our factor is 0.01. By this factor we multiplied the quantity given and ultimately we get the quantity taken. For an example, 16 gram multiplied by 0.1 we get 1.6 gram. In this way we get all the quantities. Here beeswax is used as an emulsifying agent, liquid paraffin is used as a laxative, borax is as an emollient, water as a vehicle, methyl paraben as a preservative, propyl paraben again as a preservative, perfume is quantity sufficient. It is used for the fragrance. Then we move toward the stepwise procedure. In this beeswax borax type of the preparation, borax react with the free fatty acids present in the beeswax and product of a soft soap which act as an emulsifying agent and emulsifier the oil phase containing beeswax, mineral oil, paraffin, etc. This is in the oil phase, and in the aqueous phase there is a water. During the formulation, heated the aqueous phase in added to the oily phase. In addition of the oil phase to the aqueous phase, it results into the clump formation. That's why if we add the oil phase into the aqueous phase should be heated firstly, otherwise it result into the clump formation. Then we first of all melt the beeswax, liquid paraffin and propyl paraben in order of increasing the melting point. Then dissolve the methyl paraben and borax in a water bath at the 75 degrees Celsius. Filter if required. Add aqueous phase to the oily phase with the continuous stirring. Then cool with the stirring to the room temperature. After that, add perfume to the preparation at the room temperature and transfer the cream to the white or in a container while it is hot. Then category is a cold cream. Storage, it should be stored in a well closed container. After that we go to the laboratory for the actual practical session. Welcome friends in a pharmaceutics first laboratory. In this we prepared cold cream. We see the chemicals required for the cold cream and apparatus required for the cold cream. First of all, these are chemicals. This is the beeswax, then methyl paraben and propyl paraben as a preservative, then liquid paraffin. In a fragrance we choose the rose oil, and this is the borax. In an apparatus session we required a beakers, 2 beakers, 1 petri dish, a measuring cylinder, pipette, spatula. This is a pH paper to check our preparation's pH, and this is our container, wide mouth container where we fill the cream. Let's start the preparation. First of all, we take a beaker. In this, here we already measure all the quantities. That is beeswax 1.6 gram. Then this is the borax 0.08 gram. Liquid paraffin we have to measure. Then methyl paraben and propyl paraben. First of all, take the beaker. In this, add the measured quantity of the beeswax and then we have to add the 5 ml of the liquid paraffin and then we add the propyl paraben. Here we take the beeswax 1.6 gram and melt it first of all. Almost all the beeswax is melted. After that we add, this is the liquid paraffin 5 ml already measured, add it into it. With continuous stirring. After that add the propyl paraben, mix it in. This is already melted. Then in a next beaker we add the borax and the water. In this beaker we take the 3.3 gram of water. We add the still borax and methyl paraben. Stir it continuously. And take this solution on the water bath and maintain the temperature up to the 75 degrees Celsius till all the ingredients are mixed within it. All the ingredients are mixed in the water. After that, there is a major step in the preparation of the cold cream, that this is the watery phase and this is the oily phase. Mix this watery phase into the oily phase. If we mix the oily phase into the watery phase, there is a lump formation. So this watery phase we added into the our oily phase with little bit shaking, a little bit trituration. We added the little of water, methyl paraben and storax solution into our cream. If we added once at all, it will break our cream. Then we add the perfumes into our cream. Perfume at the quantity sufficient. Then we mix it into our cream. Our cream's consistency is appropriate one. We see that our cream is white in color. We added it in a perfume. It's a perfume one. but though it has a less water washability than the vanishing cream, though it have the more and more oily substances, that is beeswax, then liquid paraffin. Cream's consistency is perfect one. Color is white. And it's a less greasy, smooth consistency. See that our cream has the appropriate pH, that is between 5 to 8. That means our cream is evaluated or all the parameters required for its final content. Then finally we fill the cream into our final container in a well tight or well closed container. See, this is our cold cream. Smoothness, it has a fragrance, and it is fulfill all the parameters. Fill it in a final container. This is our cold cream, and we see the labeling, how to label our cold cream in the next section. Thank you. After go through the laboratory stepwise procedure, we move towards the observation and evaluation table. Observation and evaluation table should be maintained such as, first of all, it has the name of preparation, then test, specification and confirmation. We see how to prepare the cold cream. In that we see the appearance of our cream is white, so we confirm that test. Fragrance is perfume, we added the fragrance. We also confirm that test. pH is between 5 to 8. We also confirm that test. Consistency is smooth one. We confirm that test. And washability less than the vanishing cream. Though it has the liquid paraffin and other oily substances, that's why it has the less washability than the vanishing cream. Vanishing cream has more and more water soluble basis, and as compared to cold cream does not, and that's why it has a less washability than the vanishing cream. We also confirm that test. In this way we maintain our evaluation table, and our preparation, that is cold cream, is evaluated one. After that we move toward the labeling of the formulation. Labeling of the formulation should be maintained such as, this is first of all our name of the preparation at the top of the label. Then right hand side of label, at the top side we mention the quantity of our preparation, that is 10 gram. Then we mention the ingredients content, that is here we mention the 10 gram of content, that is beeswax, liquid paraffin, borax, water, methyl paraben, propyl paraben, perfume, etc. Then category of our preparation is cold cream. Storage, it should be stored in a well closed container. It is for the secondary direction is it is for the external use only. And then other manufacturing details such as the manufacturing license number, manufacturing batch number, date, manufacturing date, expiry date, maximum retail price of our preparation, and at the last side of our label, that is name and address of the manufacturer, should be mentioned. In this way we made the label. Then next we move towards the result of our experiment. Result can be mentioned: 10 gram of cold cream submitted in a well closed container with a neat label. Then we move toward the question answer session. First of all, explain the importance of the beeswax borax system. Beeswax borax system, in this there is no need to add the secondary emulsifier in our preparation. That's why if we use the beeswax and borax system, there is no use, or sorry, there is a no secondary emulsifier required for the cream. Then give the preparation. Second question is, give the preparation required to be taken during the mixing of oily phase and aqueous phase. The precaution taken is that if we mixing the oily phase and the aqueous phase, first of all we heat the aqueous phase and then add the oily phase with the continuous stirring so that there is no formation of lumps. Then give two marketed preparation of the cold cream. Lots of preparations are available in the markets. These are the Pond's cold cream, Himalaya cold cream, etc. Then next question is, state the meaning of the preservatives. Preservatives, these are the drugs or the agents which preserve our preparation from the microbial growth or any other microorganism growth or fungal growth, and they do not deteriorate our product. Then fifth question, write two difference between the cold cream and the vanishing cream. The first difference is cold cream is based on the beeswax borax system and vanishing cream is not. In a cold cream, there is we do not use the any emulsifier or we do not use the liquid paraffin like oily substances. In vanishing cream, there is a more and more concentration of the water soluble bases. Cold creams when we applied on our skin, it has the it evaporates slowly and it gives the cold sensation to our skin. Vanishing cream does not give that. Rather than vanishing cream, if we applied, it have the thin film on our skin. The next question is, write the storage condition from the creams. Creams should be stored in the well closed container in a cool place. Thank you very much for attending my practical session.